Hi everyone, are you looking for a mask that is calming and nourishing at the same time? I have something very special for you. This is the I Am in Love Roseheart Calming Mask Sheet, which has a heart cutout shaped mask and which is pink in color. How cute is that, right? And also this contains aloe extract and Centella Asiatica, which is great for people who have sensitive and acne prone skin because the ingredients are so promising and lightweight on the skin. It does not harsh your skin at all. The mask is super soft quality and also it is made out of corn and microfibers, which is biodegradable and sustainable, which makes it really perfect for use. And also you can use this twice a week for that instant calming effect on days you are feeling that the weather is very humid and you want something which is very calming. Then you can go for this mask. The packaging is super cute. You need to keep this mask for 15 to 20 minutes so that the serum gets absorbed into your skin really nicely and works overnight. And also it comes in 4 different variants, and Roseheart is now available on Maccaron.in, so go check out the whole range. I am totally in love because of the packaging and the formulation. You do try it out.